Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stabilizing the chain and tool. Make sure the chain sits square in the holder and the tool's driver lines up with the pin head. Turn the handle slowly and deliberately to engage the driver. You'll feel light resistance as it contacts the pin. Once the driver touches, continue steady turns until the pin just begins to move out of the link, but do not push it fully through yet. This preserves link alignment for reassembly later. Continue turning until the pin protrudes roughly 1/3 beyond the plate. This prevents overdriving, which can deform the plate. Once exposed, pause and use small pliers or a magnet to pull the pin the rest of the way. This gives you control and avoids splaying the link. Then slide the chain plates laterally to separate links, checking rollers and plates for damage as you go, because a clean extraction preserves chain integrity and makes reinstallation simpler. To finish, line up the plates and reinsert the pin or install the master link. Use the chain tool to press the pin back flush, but avoid overdriving past the original depth. Then pedal slowly and shift through gears to confirm smooth rotation and proper seating. If a link is stiff, flex it side to side or reseat the pins slightly. If plates or the pin are bent or cracked, replace the link or chain. This single troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.